In the last lecture, we have downloaded our Mamp localhost server, and in this video, we are going to install it on our computer. So if you are using Windows, just double click on that, next, and install. And I'm using Mac, so it's a pretty simple process. Just double click that and click on continue. Click on continue. Make sure to read the license terms and agreement and continue and click on agree. And yeah, this is fine. This will take 1.11 GB of space on my computer, so I'm going to install it. So, and it will ask for your password, so give it your password. I'm going to give it mine, and click on install software. Just click on that, and it will take a couple of second or a minute, so we are going to wait for that. Actually, in the meantime, we can get WordPress. We can download WordPress. So go to Google and search for WordPress download, and you will get this link from wordpress.org/download. So click on that and wait for a second, and there we go. Now click on this WordPress, download WordPress 4.9.1. By the time of this video, the latest version of WordPress is 4.9.1, but if you're watching this after the release of the course, it might be 5.1 or 5.0 or 6.1, whatever. Get the latest version now. Okay, get the latest version now. So click on download WordPress, and our course will work for all of you. Now here we are. The installation was successful, so it's downloading WordPress. We are not going, so just go to Mamp and click on close, and now you will be able to locate Mamp in your application folder. I'm going to just go to application folder, and there we go. Yes, here it is, Mamp and Mamp Pro. Mamp is a free version of Mamp, whereas Mamp Pro is the professional version of Mamp. But we will not be using Mamp Pro because it's a paid software. We will be using Mamp, and it's completely okay for our work. You can also find Mamp on our Launchpad. So click on Launchpad, and here we are. There it is, Mamp and Mamp Pro. So click on Mamp, and yeah, launch Mamp. Okay, and I don't want to check this, so launch Mamp, and it will open up a box. So I'm just going to close this. This will take a couple of more seconds. So just here we are. Now you can see here that Apache server and MySQL server both are required to run WordPress, because WordPress is built using the PHP language, and PHP language requires Apache and MySQL server to run. There is no need to, what I'm saying is, you don't need to understand this. All you need to understand is you need to run these two servers in order to install WordPress on your local computer. So hit on start servers, and it will start the MySQL and Apache server. So click on start server. It will take a couple of seconds, and yeah, it is started. Allow whatever this guy is saying you, just allow it, and here we are. This is our localhost. Remember this address, localhost column 8888. This is the address of your local server. Okay, and now you can also get this from going into Mamp and click. You can also go to Mamp and click on open web start page, and you will get to see this page. It will open this page. So remember this link, localhost column 8888. Write this down. I'm again repeating it, localhost column 8888. Okay, so now here we are. You need to remember something. So there we go. All you need to understand is it has installed Apache server and MySQL on our computer, which is required to run WordPress on our computer. So this is your local host. The host name is localhost, your port is 3306, and your username of your Apache and MySQL server is root, and your password is root. Make sure to remember this. Your username will be root and your password will be root. This you will require this when you will need to connect your WordPress with a database. We are going to do that along with you. You are going to do that along with me. So don't worry about that, but just remember this, or grab a screenshot and save it wherever you want. And yeah, that's it. I don't think that I don't think that we need some more information from here. Now go back to your Mamp. I'm going to go back to Mamp and open your Finder. So here we are. Where is Finder? Yeah. Go to your application folder. Go to Mamp, and here is your htdocs folder. This is the folder where we will be saving our files. We will be saving WordPress file just right here. So from the next video, I will be installing WordPress on our computer. So I will see